Welcome. Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, your mama and them. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. We talk about mistakes people make. Yeah, mistakes. Run that intro. Just making sure I was recording. So here's what I'm thinking about mistakes and all, because I made some yesterday. We rode about 212 miles, you know, about 80 miles before we had breakfast, and that was pretty good. Then we haven't had a winery. But here's some of the mistakes you make when you're on a road trip on a motorcycle. Is not drinking enough water. You might not think you need water. It wasn't hot yesterday. It was a beautiful day. But not drinking enough water. I should have drank some water when we was at the Fields Through Woods. You can go check out that video right up here. But and two, you're on a road trip. You trying to do too much is a mistake people make. Trying to push it too far. Know your limits, but a lot of us are so stubborn we don't know our limits. We just try to push on through it. Uh-oh, got one lane road up there on that side. What to do? Cleaning out the ditches, cleaning up the woods. I don't know, making the road wider. It needs to be 3 lanes. If it was 3 lane, it'd be 3 lane bumper to bumper. Yeah, buddy. But like I said, pushing it, trying to do too much in one day, you need to work up to it. I thought I was worked up. But yesterday, sitting in the hotel room, that's for not drinking enough water, staying hydrated. My legs was hurting and all. Well, we spent all day on the motorcycle. Even though we didn't ride but 212 miles, we were still up in the mountains and all, doing a lot of walking and all. So I think that's probably the #1 mistake people don't make, is not drinking enough water, staying hydrated, but trying to do too much in a day, you know. Which that's our biggest problem. We try to pack it. When you got one day to do something, you try to do as much as you can. I'm trying to think of some other things we can talk about, the mistake people make when they ride. Try to work up to it and all, you know. I was thinking, trying to do too much, not staying hydrated, not eating enough. 2 could be 1, you know. Waiting too late to eat, and then you get a headache and sick because you let your sugar drop too far. You don't have to do 1,000 miles in a day like some people. Well, what Bike's Building Brew is doing right about now? Should have came down here because they're having a fun run today up here in the mountains at a orchard. So we're gonna enjoy this cloudy ride on the way to the house. So just think about some mistakes you made. Leave a comment down there if you know something that I didn't say, because I didn't say but a couple. So go check out that video right about there, that one there, and hit the subscribe button over here. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the road somewhere.